In the heart of Kuala Lumpur's Golden Triangle lies the award-winning Melia Kuala Lumpur. The hotel is furnished with 288 elegant guest rooms, complete with modern and world-class amenities. With various fully equipped meeting rooms, there's no short of business success stories. Enjoy life's simple pleasures by immersing in the hotel's extensive facilities. Or eat to your heart's content with the opening of our new restaurant, The Kitchen at Melia, featuring a live kitchen concept. Surrounded by major entertainment spots including Times Square, Bukit Bintang, and the Petronas Twin Towers, just to name a few. The Melia Kuala Lumpur is a luxurious stay in a class of its own.